Hello, my name is John. Are you a student looking to take your engineering skills to the next level? Then you'll want to check out the Eplan Education Program. Registering for the Eplan Education Program is easy. First, head to the Eplan website. Under Solutions, look for the Eplan Education for Students section. Next, click on the Download option and fill out the registration form. Here you will be directed to the Eplan Cloud. Enter your education-related mail address and click Continue. Then you will receive an email. To verify your email is correct, go check your inbox and junk or spam folders. Click on Confirm to continue the registration process. Set your password using the guidance provided and click Continue. You will now fill out your information: name, address, education information, the language, and download what version you would like. You will also need to accept our terms and conditions before clicking on Create Eplan ID. You can now choose which version you would like to download by clicking on the Download button. We have made things easier with this new process. In your Eplan Cloud login, you will also be able to see your entitlement ID. What if you have an existing Eplan Cloud login? If you have an existing Eplan Cloud login, you will log into your Eplan Cloud as usual and go to where your name is on the top right and click on the down arrow. You will then select Downloads. Here you can see all the versions you can download. To view your entitlement ID, you would select Entitlement ID. You will now see the details. The Eplan Education Program is designed to help you develop the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in the field of engineering. By registering today, you'll be taking a big step towards a rewarding career.